You take the birds with you since you will have the mate boost. I will move by food.
Alright. What the fuck? Yeah, we could really use grenades right now. Let's just go in and fuck them out while they're fighting.
Trap the player, drop it to me. I'll shotgun him.
Yeah, and then you shoot my bird. I'm gonna drop him.
No, no.
I'll
Just
drop him before. Yeah.
Yeah. You didn't got it?
No, hold on.
Watch out for the birds. Holy.
I got him.
Yeah, drop it. The teamwork!
I'll grab the next guy here. Come.
Yeah, coming.
Fuck, I missed
On
him.
the mammoth.
Oh, he's heavy. Oh, stamina. God damn it. Nice.
Dead?
2 more. I'll grab another guy. Come here.
Yeah, go,
Right,
go.
let's run.
He's the last guy. No. Wait a minute, he's not.
I'll grab him. I got him. Here.
Drop it.
Nice. Wait, I'll go grab the next guy as well. I just need to switch out bird. No wait, he needs stamina. He needs stamina.
That fucking tactor, he's on here.
What's up, motherfuckers? Dude, I'm just gonna fucking destroy this shit.
Scream.